Find Ix and Iy. Find Ix and Vx for the circuit shown. This is also one of the important problem using mesh analysis. It's a dependent source problem. It is a current source, dependent current source whose value controlled by Vx. So you have to check for the Vx in the entire circuit. Vx is given. It is drop across 2 ohm. It is 2 into I1 minus I 2 into I1 minus I. And one more dependent source. It's a voltage source plus minus. It's controlled by Ix. It's current controlled voltage source where Ix is given this. In terms of loop current, it is Ix is same as minus I1 because I1 is flowing right side, Ix is going left side. So Ix is minus of I1 and Vx is okay, and Vx is 2 times I1 minus I2 plus 2 minus current is also flowing plus 2 minus. So it is I1 minus I2. And in this mesh analysis, two meshes are there. One mesh, second mesh. I cannot apply KVL for mesh 1 because there is a current source. I cannot apply KVL for mesh 2 because there is a current source. So in both the cases, but I can directly tell that I1 is same as this 3. I1 is I1 is same as minus 3 because it is opposite. I1 is coming down, but the 3 amps is going upwards. I1 is minus 3, but I2 is mapping with the direction of this. I2 value is Vx by 4. I2 is equal to Vx both, and both are present at the edge. So Vx by where Vx is 2 into I1 minus I2. 2 into I1 minus I2. So substitute that I1 is minus 3, I2 is Vx by 4, and you will get Vx value as minus 4 volts. And Ix is same as, we have to find Vx and Ix. So I2 is Vx by 4. It is Vx is minus 4 by 4. It is 1 amp. We have to find Ix. Find Ix and Vx. No, what is Ix? Ix is minus I1. Yeah, Ix is minus I1. We have to find I1. Where is I1? Yeah, I1 is already given. No, Ix is Ix direction is mapping with 3 amps. Ix direction is mapping with 3 amps. So Ix is minus I1, which is equal to minus of minus 3, which is equal to plus 3 amps. So Ix is 3 amps, Vx is minus 4 volts. So this is the answer. These also problems are dependent source. Find current through, last problem. Find current through currents Ix and Iy. You have to find currents Ix and Iy. Where is Ix? Ix is current through this. This value is not given. I think it is miss. I will write that value later. Some value should be there here. Find Ix and Iy. From the figure, Iy is I1. Iy, because Iy is given in the mesh 1, Iy is I1. I2 is I, Ix is actually Iy is given at the first mesh, but Ix value that given in the resistance which is shared between these two. So Ix is, this is down now. So I1 minus I2. So this is also correct. It's correct. Iy is belongs to only this mesh current because it is at the peripheral. But Ix, it is resistance which is shared between these two. So it is Ix is equal to I1 minus I2. So apply KVL for mesh 1. So this is plus 2 minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. For this one I2, plus minus, plus minus. So this is plus 5i, plus 5, then plus 5i1, plus 2ix, plus 4i1, plus this is actually 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. It is missing. It is 1 ohm because I found out means this one. 1 into I1 minus I2 and minus 2 is according to my notation it is minus. If you want original, root multiply by negative, you'll get the same answer only. After simplification, you will get 10I1 plus 3I2 is equal to 5. Similarly, apply KVL for mesh 2. If you apply KVL for mesh 2, again plus 1 into I2 minus I1 you have to write now. I2 minus I1 plus 2I2 plus 10 plus 2IY is equal to 0. I will tell you plus 2y plus 2y plus 1 into I2 minus I1 plus 2 into I2 only plus 10 is equal to 0. If I simplify this, I will get this equation. So those two equations you can write in the matrix form. Solve using calculator. Okay. So two equations. It is a equation. First equation. The first equation value is minus 10, 3 equal to 5, and minus 1, minus 3, 10 is equal to 1.36 I1. I2 is minus 2.87. So in the problem they are given find Ix and Iy. Ix is I1 minus I2, Iy is I1. Iy is I1 which is 1.34 and Ix is I1 minus I2. I1 is this minus this. This minus this you are going to get this much.